Students, this is question number 7. We have a graph. Let me draw the graph. Got an x-axis, y-axis, and then we have a line. Now this point is given as B, and this point is exactly at the second unit, and this point is A. This point is exactly at the 7th unit. Now this is the origin. The first question wants us to find the value of C for this line. Now you have to understand that the equation of the line, this is the solution I'm giving. The equation of the line AB is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, right? Now c is the y-intercept. C is what? The y-intercept. So when would you get y-intercept? When x is equal to 0. So this means y is equal to c. So go up to the graph. After you have located this, go to the graph, and on the y-axis look for the intersection. So what do you have? You got the number 7. So therefore c is equal to 7. That is the solution for this question. Now you have the next question. What is the next question? The next question is to find the slope. Okay, let me write the question down. Find the value of m. This is question number 2. This is question 1. Now what is m? M is given by the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we call m to be as a slope. Now go and look for the points A and B. After you have got this formula, go and look for the points A and B. Now what is A here? A is 0, 7, and what is B here? B is 2, 0. So A is 0, 7 and B is 2, 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, right? Now substitute it in the formula. So therefore m is equal to y2 minus y1, 0 minus 7 and 2 minus 0. This is going to give you negative 7 over 2. So therefore m is equal to negative 7 over 2. This is the slope. Now the next question is asking you find the midpoint. Find the midpoint of the line AB. Now as I mentioned to you, A has got 0, 7 and B has got 2, 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the midpoint of AB will have coordinates as x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what is that? x1 plus x2, 0 positive 2 divided by 2 and 7 positive 0 divided by 2. And what is this? This is going to be 2 over 2, that's 1, 7 over 2. So this is the midpoint coordinate. Now we got question B. It states that the point negative 2, k lies on the line. Find the value of k. Now in the previous section we have obtained the value of the slope and the constant, that's y-intercept. Now this is the solution. We know that the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c, which in this case becomes y is equal to negative 7 over 2 times x positive 7. Now, since given negative 2 comma k lies on the line, this means we substitute x is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to k in. I'm going to take this as 2 into, and we get, so y is equal to k and x is equal to negative 2. The term 7 stays as it is. So 2 gets cancelled, negative negative positive. So you have a 7 and you have a 7 here and you have a k here. So therefore k is equal to 14. So that's the solution for this question. Now we got the next question. Determine the point of intersection of the line y is equal to x negative 2 with the above line. With the above line, what is the line? The line is y is equal to negative 7 over 2 times x positive 7. Okay, so I take this as 3, I take this as 2. So this is the solution. Equating 2 and 3, we get, so what do we get? In place of y we substitute this, so x negative 2 is equal to negative 7 over 2 times x positive 7. Move all the x to the left, so you have x positive 7 over 2 times x is equal to 7 positive 2. So this would become 9. You take the LCM as 2 here, this is going to be 2 times x positive 7x. And what is this? This is going to be 9x over 2 is equal to 9. You cross multiply, this will give you 9x is equal to 2 times 9 is 18. Now what is this? X is equal to 18 over, bring the 9 down. Now what happens here? 9 divides 18 2 times. So therefore x is equal to 2. Now over here, I'm going to use this space. Substitute x is equal to 2 in 3. We get, so what do you get? You get y is equal to, you substitute x is equal to 2 over here, 2 minus 2, this means y is equal to 0. So the intersection is taking place at 2, 0. Okay.